Hey everybody, this is Andre with Garage Door Guidance again. I just want to do a quick video today on how to replace a garage door opener wall control. This is the wall control, the little button that is in the back, usually by your entry door into the home. And it just usually just a little push button. You just hit the little guy right there. That operates your garage door. Usually it has a little light switch. There are more basic models, but it's all relatively the same on how to replace this part, and super simple. So I just want to do that real quick for you guys. Before I go on, I do have the link to this particular button, this particular wall control, down in the description box below if you did need this particular button, or I will also link to our parts page on garagedoorguidance.com, where you can also find different wall controls. So if you want to check that out, I'll put the links below. But otherwise, let's go ahead and do it. So, super simple. Again, I just have it hooked up to a 2x4 just so I can show you guys how to do this. But essentially, right here, if you flip this little cover open, so you got one screw. So we'll go ahead and take that off. So you have your screw. You set that aside. So there's no visible screws left, but you can't just pull that right off. So what you actually have to do, you slide it up and forward, and there's your other screw. Now there's a little latch right there. You can see how that will fit onto the screw. Just sort of pops on and pops off. So very easy. Now from there, you unscrew these two wires. You got red and white, and if you look on the wire itself, you can see the little red color or white color. Just keep those to the same. You don't have to unplug your garage door opener for this because it is not a it does not carry a lot of current through these wires, so you don't have to worry about getting shocked or anything like that. So you just unscrew these, change your wall control, screw this back on, screw the wire back on. From there, you just go ahead and slide it back onto that screw, push down on it just so it sits back in the same spot, and then you just put your other screw back in. And that's it. Your wall control has been replaced. You're good to go. Again, I have that link down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, just leave it in the comment box below. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video.